In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete tags in Freshdesk, encompassing their removal from both records like tickets and contacts, as well as from the system entirely. Let's dive in and explore each step, ensuring you're efficiently managing your tags within Freshdesk. To begin with, it's important to understand that tags attached to existing records can't be deleted system-wide in one go. Therefore, the first step involves removing them from each individual item where they're attached. Start by heading over to the list view, which could be your tickets, contacts, or any other relevant section within Freshdesk. Here, you'll find a list of your records. Select the items you're interested in by using the checkboxes next to each one. Once you've made your selection, look for the Bulk Actions button. This is your tool for making changes to multiple records simultaneously, saving you a lot of time and effort. After clicking Bulk Actions, choose the option to Remove Tags. You'll be prompted to type in the specific tag name you wish to eliminate. Simply confirm your choice, and that tag will be removed from the selected items. Do keep in mind, though, that the tag will remain available in Freshdesk unless it's removed from everywhere. So, comprehensive action is necessary if you want it gone for good. Now, on to the process of permanently deleting a tag from the entire system. This step becomes possible only after a tag is no longer associated with any individual items. To do this, navigate to the Admin section of Freshdesk. Within Admin, find the section labeled Agent Productivity. Under this category, you'll see an option for tags. Click on this to bring up all your existing tags within Freshdesk. It's crucial here to ensure the tags you aim to delete have zero associations left. In this list, select the tag or tags that you want to remove. You'll notice that the Delete button will remain inactive until at least one tag is selected, a small feature to help prevent accidental deletions. Now that you have your tags chosen, go ahead and click the Delete button. A confirmation pop-up will appear. This is your last chance to ensure you're deleting the right tags, as this action is irreversible. Confirm the deletion, and the tag will be permanently removed from the system. By following these steps, you can effectively manage your tags within Freshdesk, keeping your workflows smooth and your system organized. It's all about maintaining clarity and order, ensuring that your team can focus on what they do best without any unnecessary clutter. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you handle tags in Freshdesk with confidence and ease.